How to log out Insta ID from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out Insta ID from other devices. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up Instagram and you want to log into the account that you wish to remove from other devices. Once you have done so, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from here you want to tap on the hamburger icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you can see the very first option under your account, that is account center. Simply tap on it, and here now you'll get the option that says password and security under account settings. Tap on it, and here now you can see saved login option there. You can see below two-factor authentication, or down below you can see where you are logged in as well. Now if you head into saved login, you'll be able to see your logged in information. Down below where you are logged in, if you tap on it here, you'll be able to see the number of devices that you're logged in on. So you want to tap your account and you'll be able to see which devices you are logged in on. So what you can do is you can simply tap on that particular device that you wish to log out from. Simply tap on select devices to log out, and then select the device that you wish to log out from, and then tap on log out, and you'll get logged out. So this way you can log out Insta ID from other devices. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.